जल्दी से पूछ लेता हूँ आप में से कौन हमारे साथ दोपहर से है यहाँ पे और या तो who have just great crashed right now? How many of you have just great crashed right
Liar,
now?
liar,
No,
liar,
no,
liar.
no.
Liar.
Okay,
Yeah.
y'all are panelists. You have to behave yourself. अभी नहीं. So, you are all looking beautiful. There's a lot of energy radiating towards the stage from here. I think I emotionally going to appeal to this lovely set of people to raise a round of applause. What a fantastic evening. You guys are making it happen right here. Happy dance moment. Just happened. Make sure everything is in place. इसके बारे में मैं क्या बोलूं? Manish.
Huh.
I'm very depressed about this next session. You know why?
Why is that?
You know what it is called? New age role models,
That's why we're hosting it.
which we are not invited to. So I told Siddharth, like, yeah, Manish and me should be part of this. He said, no, bro, we are doing a separate panel for you called Aging Role Models. But then it got removed. No, lack of priority. It's the power of youth. Yeah? Huge round of applause for a set of panelists. But you should just keep in mind because you're a Sindhi and she's a Sindhi. Bro, she's single.
Whoa! Let's talk.
बाद में panel के बाद, please take a seat. Okay. Now this guy is very hot and all that. मतलब all these boys are hot. I mean, who is not hot? चलो. I was talking about you, Manish.
Thanks.
Hey, चलो Randeep, come on यार. What the hell, man? So, रणदीप के बारे में एक खास बात आपको हम बता दें बीच में आओ. There is many beautiful women are attracted to him because of this tattoo over here. दिखा दे. And his show works because of Salman Khan. There's a different story, but his actual confession is that this D for Dawn came because of Shah Rukh Khan.
Wow.
You didn't know this. You heard it here first at IWM Buzz. Ready, sir? Right from then, now the audience is wondering, clap करें? It's cultural issues. भाई बैठ जा यार. Nice suit दो. मेरे को भी ये पर्दा चाहिए. The next person I would like to call on stage
is
he's actually been my on-screen damad.
Wow.
Yeah.
No wonder.
Yeah,
age
no
difference.
wonder we are aging role
Yeah.
models and new age role models. I'm calling upon this heartthrob of a nation. Let's call out for Zain Imam in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Zain के बारे में एक खास बात मैं चली बता देता हूँ. Zain छत पे पप्पी करते हुए पकड़ा गया है. झूठ. This is his confession, but fine. If you don't want to believe me, don't fine. It's not that scandalous. It's okay. अभी क्या तू स्टेज पे पप्पी करते हुए पकड़ा जाएगा? No. That was so satisfying, Zain. Let's meet backstage more often. And to call upon this lovely, I think this एक ही रह गया ना और कोई नहीं है ना नाम तो अरे
सुना है.
नाम तो सुना है. चलिए बुलाते हैं और एक हार्ट थ्रॉब को जिसका नाम है पार्थ समथान. पार्थ भाई, पार्थ, are you here? You're hiding? उसका एंट्री सेपरेट से प्लान किया है क्या?
हाँ, आ रहा है.
एक से नीचे.
बोले.
I want to take a picture with Parth wearing this. It's very cute. Don't make fun, okay? Parth, you're a star. We love you. And so do our mummies and aunties. Please. She's so bad at it that even when she makes her invoices right now, after working for a whole month, she makes mistakes. She's really bad at maths, but she's a love. Time on a public forum. 6 years back, he picked up the phone and he said, Viraf, I don't know you, but I saw your work, I like it, and I think you should do this XYZ show. And मैंने बड़ी अकड़ मार के मैंने बोला यार, I want to do a romantic. Outlived all the shows I did after that, and it's still going on. Vikas Gupta, I will never disagree with your recommendation the next time. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause to you, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause.
Thank you.
Most of them have not even reached the age where people actually after PhD decide कि हम career करेंगे and what we want to do in our lives. So let's kind of understand and get to know them a little bit.
Because like you said, I started off pretty late because I think I come from a family who feel education plays a very, very vital part in how you conduct yourself, how you are. I believe in
I
that.
agree with you. Education, whether it is college or whether is it on the job education,
Yes.
or the kind of organization that you work with, and the kind
Cannot manage time when it comes to architecture because it's a tough. So difficult.
Abe hat.
No, seriously.
Listen, they had to tell mummy daddy that we are here in Bombay because we have this very nice college of architecture, but actually that's exactly what happens. बनना एक्टर होता है लोगों को, पर वो डिसाइड करता है कि बॉम्बे का वो कौन सा कॉलेज है जहां पर हम एडमिशन ले ले बहाना बना के कि हम जा रहे हैं आर्किटेक्चर पढ़ने, मास कॉम करने, एंड देन दे वेटिंग फॉर दैट वन अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड देन दे जंप ऑन इट.
No, actually, to be honest, I was focused into architecture.
अच्छा.
Yeah, completely. And it was just that ke, हाँ वही हो गया actually कि the surrounding is as such that you come across such people, then they talk to you, they kind of offer you something that you can work along. So you start working and then you realize, अरे अच्छा दिख सकता हूँ
No,
मैं,
no
अच्छा
one
कुछ कर
found
सकता
you,
हूँ.
by the way. You auditioned for it, and I remember the person who gave me my first break as a producer is also sitting right here. There's Zulfia. And Zulfia and I did a show together called Gumrah for Channel V. And that was also your first
Yes.
episode. So I don't think Zulfia, we found him at a coffee shop. He did come and audition for it while he was studying architecture. So I think that's one of the things that you have to understand, that this field somehow is not as exciting for parents as it is exciting for anyone else. And they go all out and find the plan B in place while plan A is happening. What happened with you, Zen?
Well, let me first tell you and warn you that I'm not a good orator. Neither am I a very intellectual person that you would expect intellectual answers from me. So
Straight
I-
answers, they straight.
Yeah, so I actually, for me, it's been 4.5 years in Mumbai, and the experience has been outstanding. I mean, the kind of love that I've got from all the fans and all my loved ones has been outstanding. And I mean, we've done a show together, Khatron Ke Khiladi. It's still on air. Please, people, please watch that. Vikas has done some brilliant job over there.
I've also been disqualified from that show. I am very candy like that.
And I'm sure Rohit sir is around corner and he's listening to
वो भी
you,
यहीं
whatever
कहीं
you're
होंगे
saying right
और
now.
सुन रहे होंगे.
And he's gonna come and bash you like real bad. No, just kidding. We've had a really good time, and Vikas has been a real sweetheart in Khatron Ke Khiladi. And I think I've known you since 4.5 years now, and my very first show, he was leading it, and I was doing a cameo for 2-3
Yeah.
months. So I think that was the beginning of my journey, Kaisi Yari on MTV. And I remember meeting you as well. At the very first meeting, you said you just need to go there in this show, bro, and just shave off your head, because I was playing a cancer patient per se, and I was like, shave off my head? What? Are you serious? I can't do that. I can do a like a crew cut. I can do that. So he was like good enough to say, okay, ठीक है करते हैं. But मेहनत थी, लगन थी, किया starting में. I think सब लोगों ने बहुत साथ भी दिया इन 2-3
And after
महीने का
that,
था.
he did a show which rocked
Yeah, that was
everyone.
Tashnish.
And that was one of the youngest shows that Z had done.
Indeed,
And
yes. I was
in
playing the
those days-
negative. So
yes.
ये चेहरे पे मत जाइएगा, please. I can play negative as well. And I did really well. I got 2 awards for that.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
But
I'm
tell,
just being
tell us
proud.
something in terms of your journey when you decided to come down from, you're not also from Bombay either. You traveled all the way,
Yeah, I'm from Delhi.
right? Yeah. So how was it? Was it easy for you to just come to Bombay, or was it difficult because your parents would have said, "Hero बनने जा रहे हो"?
Well, I always had this inclination towards the glamour industry. Back in Delhi, I was modeling, and I was studying as well, trying to save a lot of money so that I can move to Mumbai. And so basically, I have one condition: I really cannot work under anybody. So if I have to work, I'll work under my own terms. So if you tell me that Zen, you have to do this, Zen, you have to do that, I would just straight away say, no, brother, I cannot do that. So in that very sense, while I was working in a corporate, I've had too many fights with the managers, because obviously मैं अपने rules और regulations के साथ करना चाहता था. Because I used to tell them, see, listen, आपको काम चाहिए, आपको काम मिलेगा, okay? But मैं करके दूंगा. No matter the amount of time it takes, but I'll do it.
अरे बाप
And,
रे, तुम बड़े खतरनाक निकलोगे यार.
तो हाँ फिर मुंबई आया, it's all started, and start with ads initially. Ads doesn't pay you well, and you know there are some coordinators that take 20-25% of
The
your money,
hard
and
truths of the young guns, coordinator सारा पैसा खा जाते हैं.
exactly. I remember मेरा 5,000 रुपए का मैंने एक ad किया था, उसमें भी यार कमीशन ले गया इंसान. Seriously, 5,000 रुपए में कमीशन. I remember
ad
that.
मिला. ये सोचना, you were on television, people were loving you.
Yeah, but print ad था यार. 5,000 रुपए में मतलब बंदे की जान लोगे क्या?
उसे
He was
बुला
like
के
that.
मारते हैं सब लोग मिलके.
And honestly, this guy, the same guy, called me after मतलब मैं जब थोड़ा सा बन गया कुछ. He called me. He gave me 50%, 50 times that amount. I said no. I said I want 100%. Agreeing to that? Yes. I'm on board. No.
This guy has
Bugger off.
vengeance. Like he gets back at people. So you shouldn't cross him. Oh, we also have Junior Ranveer Singh with us. Hi.
दीपिका ढूंढ रहा हूँ मैं फिलहाल, अभी लाइफ में मिली नहीं है.
Wow. How old are you? The truth.
22.
Are you sure you're 22? Because you told on your show you were 26.
That depends कि मैं किससे बात कर रहा हूँ.
Basically, लड़की की जो एज होती है उसके हिसाब से इनकी एज ऊपर और नीचे होती है. That's what he was doing on Big Boss. You are one of the youngest contestants to ever enter Big Boss.
Not one of the.
You are the youngest contestant. Sorry, stand corrected there. Youngest contestant to enter Big Boss. Let me tell you a very quick conversation about Rohit Suchanti. We were doing a show on MTV called Warrior High, and in Warrior High, we were shooting a promo, and I saw a boy who was 102 kgs, and he was playing a junior on the set, on that show promo, and that boy was him. And that is 2.5 years ago. And the journey from 102 to this, and in the last 2.5, 3 years has been very commendable.
Thank you. और सारा credit, सारा तो नहीं, लेकिन जो भी credit है.
Tell us something.
मैंने की है.
I'm asking something.
Yeah.
What I want to know is that how did you figure out that you were 102 and decided that you want to be a lead, and where does all this push, this inspiration comes from?
Okay, so I'm a big Dwayne Johnson fan, and what he says is you gotta be the hardest worker in the room to beat your competitors, and I always believe in that statement. And I think I was 102 kilos, and I always wanted to be an actor, and but as I started my journey, I was, as you said, I was playing a junior artist in that show, but somewhere down there, I thought कि this is not where I belong. I want to be there, जहाँ पे सब बेचारे कि सर आइए मेरे को वो करना था, मुझे वो चाहिए था, and I really wanted that in my life, and I obviously wanted to. My mom used to say कि ये भी TV पे आ गया, तू कब आएगा? So I was like, एक दिन I will make her proud, and yeah,
and you did. You were the new lead of Satya on Star, after which you did a show on Sony as a lead again, and then you entered Big Boss,
yeah.
which has been very commendable. Good job, Rohit.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Randeep.
Yeah.
आप तो इस समय every teenage girl in every small town wants to get married to you. Why?
पर मैं एक ही शादी करूँगा. I think वो जो मैं शो कर रहा हूँ, जो मैं कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा हूँ, वो मेरे घर में भी मेरी मॉम, मेरी सिस्टर्स देखते हैं तो उनको लगता है कि हाँ मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड या मेरा पति समीर जैसा हो. सो आई थिंक वो कैरेक्टर का इतना ज़्यादा लोग पे वो है कि उनको बस चाहिए समीर. मतलब बहुत सारी लड़कियां हैं जो 40+ हैं, मैं आंटी नहीं बोलना चाहूँगा, हर्ट हो जाएंगे उनको, वो शादी करना चाहती हैं मुझसे. और अगर आप मेरा मेल खोलोगे तो काम का एक भी मेल नहीं मिलेगा, शादी के आपको 10 में से 9 मेल मिलेंगे.
He wants to get married to you.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Why?
I don't know.
Do you want to
पर
get married?
मैं शादी करना चाहता था दीपिका से. मैंने कोशिश बहुत करी है. मैंने इतने सारे डीएम किसी को नहीं किए, इतने सारे डीएम किसी को नहीं किए, अपनी फैमिली, मॉम, डैड, भाई, किसी को नहीं. उनको मैं रोज 4 बार डीएम करता था, पर एक भी अब तक सीन नहीं हुआ है.
रणवीर सिंह हैंडल करता है
सीन नहीं हुआ आपका एक भी अभी तक?
एक भी नहीं.
Are you dating anyone? No.
वेट कर रहा था ना मैं तो.
अच्छा, दीपिका का वेट.
पर अभी मैं सारा को डीएम करता हूँ. सारा को डीएम करता हूँ अभी.
अच्छा, सारा is a friend. I will tell her.
मैं बताना
Wait कर रहे हैं.
तो मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि मतलब लोग मुझसे शादी करना चाहते हैं और मैं
Zain has given me a look. Sara, you can't. Why Zain?
अरे हाँ, इसने मारा था मुझे. याद आया मुझे
हाँ,
लास्ट
हम
टाइम
घर में ड्राइंग रूम में बैठे हुए हैं और भी बात करते हैं इस बारे में बट फ्रॉम देयर वील मूव ऑन टू रोशनी. Roshni is currently one of the most popular contestants from Splitsvilla. And what is very interesting about her journey and one of the reasons why she's sitting here also is not just because she's been part of a reality show and she has a huge following, is also because how Miss Malini and everyone else decided to do a long story about your transformation.
Yeah.
And Roshni is someone who is not your typical skinny girl who's on a reality show. She is someone who is now comfortable with how she looks. I remember a year back when we tried to get her on a show, she didn't want to face the camera. Would you talk about that a bit?
Yeah, I was never satisfied with my weight because when I was growing up, I was bullied, and I always knew when I was 4. Since then, I knew that I want to become an actor. But then, जब भी कोई पूछता था कि आप क्या बनना चाहते हो, अगर मैं बोल दूँ actor, तो they used to laugh. So I was never comfortable with myself that how I look. जब लोग कॉलेज जा रहे थे मेरे एज के मेरे साथ बैच वाले, तो I went to the gym. Like you, I have not done my graduation, and I used to go to the gym. I used to stay in the gym, and it was not easy for me because I have understood my body type now, and actually you were the one who, you know, gave me some brains that, okay, now you should do this, because he's the one behind all this, that, yeah. So now I'm comfortable because I'm getting love because of this.
Exactly, which was
This
very
is what
interesting
pe-
because,
yeah.
you know, at a point of time we feel, and this is something I also understood, is that every time we click a picture, we want a perfect picture to go on Insta. We want a perfect picture to go everywhere because we feel that people who love us will only love us if we are perfect. But when I saw Surbhi's Insta, and I saw some of the pictures that she puts out could be very candid also. And the fans still loved her. And that's a learning. The learning is when people love you for your work, for your talent, you don't have to be perfect. It's your imperfections that makes you completely different.
No, but I
and
also
unique.
get bashed for it, huh? This is also a very important topic, that we get bashed for the pictures we put.
Social media it is. You will be bashed
Huh.
for anything good you do also or bad you
Exactly.
do also. You can't really do
And
anything
of course
about
it
it.
has its pros and cons also.
I have realized whenever I put a picture in which I look a little thin, so people literally text me that don't lose weight, we love you like this.
How lovely is that?
Yeah, so now I feel good about that. Like girls like me, they text me that you are my inspiration and you look good, we love you and we want to be like you. So that is a thing which inspires me to be like this only, and now I'll be always comfortable with my own skin. I won't run after what I'm not, basically.
See, all 6 of you somehow have struck a chord with a lot of young audience, and they follow you. They try to do things that you do. Sometimes they're crazy enough to write their names on their hands and blades and all of that. And also, except you, all of you from पैदा हुए थे तभी से तुम लोग को मानता तुम लोग को एक्टर बनना है, ऐसा लग रहा है, हाँ? नहीं, झूठ. This one said 4 years, this one, Randeep, did you not want to be an actor when you were young?
I am from a very small town, तो अंदर एक एक्टिंग का कीड़ा था, बट वो
कब से था वो कीड़ा, वो समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
जब आई थिंक मुझे जोश फिल्म का एक सीन याद है. जोश फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी और एक कपड़े की शॉप पे उसके जो शाहरुख खान की जैकेट ईगल गैंग का वो सब था, तो मैं उसके लिए लिटरली 3 दिन खाना नहीं खाया था मैंने. आई वाज इन क्लास 4th.
हाँ देखो ना, बचपन से ही कीड़े हैं सबके अंदर ना.
एंड प्लस मैंने अपनी जीन्स
So if you want to be young guns, you have to understand कि बचपन से कीड़ा होना चाहिए चीज करने का. What about you, Survi? Did you want to be an actor since you were young?
No, not really. Of course, जब मैं पढ़ाई कर रही थी तो एक fascination ज़रूर था, because see anybody would be fascinated with the glamour field. I think even audience sitting here would be fascinated. पिक्चरें देखने जाते हैं, imagine भी करते हैं अपने आप को. So I think it's very natural to feel that, and I think when I was doing my graduation, my mom's friend suggested कि सुरभि को बोलो कुछ ट्राई करें, let her give a shot at something. And my mom said नहीं, मैं तो चाहती हूँ मेरी बेटी पढ़े लिखे सब कुछ करे, so that she has a something, some option to back upon later. उसके बाद whatever she feels like आपने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली कि पेरेंट्स पता नहीं एक्साइटेड होते हैं कि नहीं इस फील्ड को लेके, बट I don't know how many would agree, my parents have always been very encouraging. But there was only one condition. They said, नहीं बाबा आप ना पढ़ाई खत्म करो, then you want to do whatever you want to do, go ahead, we will support you, back you, do whatever you like. But then वहाँ से कुछ छोटा मोटा मैंने किया, but not leaving my education.
You are an exception to the rule, ideally.
Yeah.
Because most of the people who are trying to be actors, see, there's no proper acting education really in this country.
Not really.
And that you can really go all out, and you'll find the institutes that are opening up in dozens, but they are not really the ones that you would actually be talking about, except you have two which are government organizations, but not enough is there for it. So for people, when they decide they want to be actors, or they want to be artists, or they want to be performers, and I will not just say actors per se here, there is no proper formal education / guidance for anyone, and everyone has to find their own way, and that's one
I
of the
agree.
reasons why parents are so concerned.
Yes,
in
but
terms
also
of
they're
this.
concerned because there are some, I've been bought and brought up here, so I've always lived with my family. Some bichare are staying, unke parents, jaise I'm sure Randeep's parents are
Yeah, I'm
not.
from Jhansi. It's a very small
So
town.
exactly, they're not here. So माँ और पापा को तो फिक्र हो ही जाती होगी कि बेटा तुम कैसे कर रहे हो. But that way I have been fortunate because I have had the backing. But I also want to say that it's been difficult because institute तो मैंने नहीं join किया, but मुझे मालूम था कि I don't know, somewhere theatre workshops would help me. Auditions, going, watching, observing how this girl does her makeup, how she presents herself in front of the camera. ये आपके खुद का analysis होना चाहिए, I feel. And that's how I learned. I don't know how everybody has, but that's been my journey of learning, experiencing auditions, going for workshops to understand that how. And baki, I prefer being natural on screen. I want to live my character. I think that happens with everybody, I'm sure.
But all of you, now that you have attained a certain amount of fame and success, first of all, everyone gets very confused with fame and success. They're two very different things. But every single time I meet artists who have gotten a hit show or have done a reality show and they become very famous or popular or unpopular, but famous, they feel they have arrived, that success has happened to them. I really wish to understand from you guys, because all of you somehow have not had one success to you or a one hit show. All of you have gone ahead and done some level of continuous work and have moved on to, what do you really think success means to people, specifically in a field like this, where there is no security of the next job after first one finishes, and yet you have so much popularity that people expect so much out of you. Let's start with Parth. What does success means to you?
Success means to me everything. As in, to be honest, I started off my journey when I was shooting for Yaria, and suddenly the show took off to another level which we never expected. And
Hello, we expected, but nonetheless, you didn't expect it.
okay, yeah, it was your dream. So, but yes, after all, none of us expected that the show would would reach such heights. And after all, it reached such heights. I never expected that people would recognize me to such an extent. So I would like to confess, at that point, success got to me.
Yes.
And
Yes.
and I kind of was not in the right frame because I was not able to handle it. I was not able to understand where all this is coming from and how to take this up and how to maintain this.
that's
Because
not just
every
yours.
time I was going anywhere, it was rising. So this sudden took off, I couldn't take it. Then after Yaria, I took a good 2-3 years gap. So for me, that was a fall because people started expecting me a lot. People started asking me, when are you coming next? We want to see you again and again, more of you. But I was in my own shadow and comfort zone. So I kind of realized that you need to again come down, again start off. And after starting off with Kasauti, I realized that now I'm in better phase. Now I'm balanced. Now I can handle success because I know how to reach at the peak and how to maintain it because I've had my ups and downs as well.
So that really has been a story for a lot of people who get success, apparently, let's not say success, who gets fame. And when you get famous, when you get recognized, when you get love from people throughout, you do not know how to handle that. It kind of becomes very difficult. What about you, Zen?
Exactly. So in short, success should not reach to your heads. You should be as humble as possible. That's what I feel. Could be being into acting, being into the corporate world, could be anything.
Chalo, let me give you a quick example to understand this. So when I meet a new person who is getting 5,000 rupees of pocket money from their dad, when they're there, and that's a big deal, a monthly you're getting 5 grand. So what they're looking at is, they're looking at if we can have 15 lakhs in our bank account, मेरा पूरा साल निकल जाएगा, बड़े मजे से मैं रह लूँगा, and I'll be on TV. Now imagine if that boy or a girl, instead of 15 lakhs, ends up with 50 lakhs in their account. उसका दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. उसको लगता है उसने दुनिया जीत ली है, जिंदगी बन गई है, अब बॉम्बे में है, अब वो मतलब कमाल कर जाएगा. Does not care about the senior artist who will be on the set as much, who have had so much experience. Will not care about a lot of things, but that 50 lakhs, they can't handle it. And they think that's success. That's something I want to try to understand.
So I'm going to repeat the same thing almost. See, it's just that it's how you communicate with the other person. Even if you're successful as you are, the level of equality needs to be there. So if I'm talking to my spot boy, it shouldn't be like, bhai, tu ye leke aaya, tu wo leke aaya. It shouldn't be like that. And so that utter respect needs to be there, and every person, you, me, people sitting over there, they all deserve the same thing. That respect needs to be there. And so success, in short, should not reach here. Simple.
I feel a little differently about that though. But what do you think, Randeep?
For me, I think fame मिलके मैंने भी बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स सुने हैं कि लोग अलग बिहेव करने लगते हैं, लोग रूड हो जाते हैं. तो सक्सेस, आई थिंक फेम आपका बढ़ रहा है, आप तब भी ग्राउंडेड हो, वो आई थिंक सक्सेस है.
You have people going crazy when you go to malls right now.
Yeah, but that is fame. That is not success. For me, so fame is when people love you a lot. Like a lot of people loves me. Success, I started when I was 4 years old. I wanted to be, like my life was planned. I have always been telling people that I want to be Priyanka Chopra. I just want that. So I have planned my life like that I want to reach there, I want to be Priyanka Chopra. So जब कोई 4 साल की बच्ची, मुझे पता नहीं होगा ऑफ कोर्स, बट वो अपने मम्मी पापा और अपनी पूरी लाइफ प्लान करेगी कि मुझे रोशनी वाधवानी बनना है. That for me, that is success. Fame is, yeah, people loving you. I am famous right now. I'm not successful right now.
What about you, Surbhi?
Because for me, it's going to be a learning process. The kind of person I am, it is always going to be like that. Even today, if I see a lot of madness for whatever I've done in the past, I take it very humbly, and the success is constant. I'll tell you why. Because when I see my parents being proud of me at award functions, at the receiving end of awards, me being on television right now also, I'm sure मेरे लिए वो successful है. मैंने अपने माँ बाप को खुश कर दिया है. Deep down I'm very happy. मैं ऐसे ही continue करना चाहती हूँ जब तक मैं कर पाऊँ, जब तक मेरी will मुझे allow करेगी. And this is going to be a constant work. This is not going to stop. This is going to be a never ending. जब तक मैं field में करना चाहती हूँ. There will be times when I'll pick wrong projects also. There will be times when I do even better. But I have understood I have to take everything very humbly, being grounded. That's how. But I'm that as a person also. मैं हुई life में ऐसी.
अच्छा, आप लोग सब इतने popular हैं, and a lot of people like you, they want to be like you. What do you do to give it back to them?
Sorry, what?
What do you do to give it back to them? Because see, today you will pick up something you'll put it up on an Insta.
Right.
Like I'll give you an example. Rohit Suchanti is a big Ranveer Singh fan, like crazy. Ranveer
that's
Singh
the
and,
reason he's dressed like that.
Ranveer Singh and
Oh.
Varun Dhawan. So Ranveer Singh had gone ahead and clicked a picture with a, what was it called? A Marshall speaker. This man has gotten a first paycheck from his lead show and has decided to spend some 75% of that so he could get that Marshall speaker and click a picture.
Oh God.
Like that's the kind of influence
Very nice.
successful, popular people can have on the people following. Do you guys think about it, or do you have any parameters to give it back to the people, or do's and don'ts when you are going ahead and revealing something about yourself, or do you do anything like that? Or do we click pictures, and which is also true, and make sure that we get enough hits and likes there? Like how do you give it back if you do?
That's a very, very interesting question.
For
Actually, we're
me,
not-
success is there, where you can put that much of an influence. Money will keep coming, going, shows will become hit or less, but somewhere where you can change anyone else's life also, and by small things people do that. So
But
how
we've
do you
seen
give
very-
it back, or at this process of time you're still settling things out or not understanding, is what I'm trying to understand there.
For me, I think in the past 2.5 years of my previous show that I was doing, the show I was doing, Ishbaz, I've seen people coming on the sets. I have received multiple cakes for any achievement we had. I think the happiness on their faces when they see them, they want a picture with us. We can't be snobbish. We can't be thinking, यार मेरा अभी पिछला वाला सीन इतना घटिया गया है कि मैं अभी इसके साथ फोटो खिंचाने के मूड में नहीं हूँ. That's not, I mean, उनके लिए वो खुशी कि अरे हमारे साथ एक फोटो हो गई, या आप मेरी मम्मी से एक वीडियो कॉल कर लेंगे क्या? I think I can't be an outright no to them. मेरे लिए I think अभी ये step है, but I think धीरे धीरे क्या होगा कुछ कह नहीं सकते, but फिलहाल उनको
Yeah,
ऐसे
I think
खुश
that's,
करना.
that's absolutely true. One thing that I swear by is just acknowledge. Acknowledge them. Simple. In one word.
Anyone else has anything else to add to this?
Need to interrupt? So basically, we working in television fields, also be it Bollywood, be it television, a lot of actors have a lot of fan groups, fan clubs, and they do everything. They go out of the way to make sure that you are being shown everywhere. And they love you, they adore you, they idolize you, they respect you, they give you that love. And I don't know how to, I really think sometimes that how should I pay back? Because it's just, you cannot measure it. The kind of love that you get from these people, it's amazing. So I remember the other day, you had reminded me about my fan club that Parth, you should post something regarding your fans. Acknowledge them because they have been doing a lot for you. So, so yeah, that is something that we should really do. We should thank them, we should acknowledge them because it's because of them who we are today. And they have liked our work, they have respected our work, and they have loved our work. So I think we should
quickly
just
to
be with them.
acknowledge the fans and sum it all up. Sum it all up. Quickly, what are your fans and called? What are your fans called?
Oh, multiple names. Surbhi Channa fan club, SC fans.
Yours are called Parthians. What are your called? Zainians.
I call them lovelies. My lovelies.
What are they
Oh.
called? Yeah.
I don't know, some Zainu
It's
ki
called
duniya.
Randeep. Ro. Rohit's fans are called Ro.
Just row.
He has something interesting to say, I'm sure.
Randeep, King of Hearts.
Randeep, King of Hearts. And what about you, Roshni?
Roshnians, Roshni ki Sena.
Roshni ki
and
Sena, Roshnians. So all these people, and what are your fans called?
Parsis and Indians.
Parsis and Indians. Great. So I think to sum this up, we got to understand a little bit more about where the young guns came from, what are their mind space like at this point of time, and what is fame and success according to them. And I'm hoping that it's not just the fans that you guys acknowledge. There's so much more that you have a power over. Influencing someone's mind, changing things for them. And if from this where you stand and can kind of take a step towards the changes that you guys can do, because your power is immense. Thank you guys for being with us today.
Thank you,
much.
Vikas.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you,
us.
thank you.
माइक वही रखना, आप लोग सब इधर आगे आ जाइए, आगे आ जाइए, आगे जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी। मनीष तो उस तरफ से, मैं बता दूँ सेल्फी लेना ना, हाँ जल्दी जल्दी, हाँ सॉरी वो करना पड़ता है। वो क्या होता है, अभी प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी को सब एक्टर्स मिलने गए थे ना, तो हमें उस फोटो को इस फोटो को उस फोटो से ज्यादा वायरल कराना।
हम लाइट ले लें थोड़ी?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, लाइट ले लो ठीक से ले लो प्लीज। पीछे स्पॉन्सर का नाम दिखना चाहिए, इवेंट का नाम सब दिख रहा है। ओके, एवरीबॉडी लुक हैप्पी यार। ये हाँ awesome. Okay, before you guys go away, can I call upon Franklin on stage and give our mementos? ये आप लोग जब घर जाओगे ना तो मम्मी डैडी को दिखाना कि हम लोग ने इतनी अच्छी बातें की। हाँ, हम खुद की सक्सेस की बात कर ली, हमको एंजाइटी दे दी यहाँ पे। Where are the mementos? Come on, लाओ।